Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and welcome to a new YouTube video. Today's video is going to be platforms for influencers. So let me quickly explain that to you. In my previous videos, I've been talking about how to start working with brands on Instagram if you're a small influencer and have a small following. I've also talked about how to prepare your first or how to get your first media kit started, and in this video I want to talk about the best platforms for you to start working with brands on your socials, mainly Instagram because that's what I mainly do and that's why I know what worked for me will probably also work for you. I did sign up for these platforms when I was a really small content creator. Now my channel is growing. I have about 7,000 followers on Instagram. It's still tiny, I know that, but it's definitely growing. So if you do want to get started with working with brands and you're not quite sure where to start and where to find them, what I also said in my first video is the best thing to do is find people that inspire you and that have about the same count of following and the same vibe and aesthetics as you, and see what kind of brands they collaborate with, and then probably you can also send these brands a message and saying, hey, I also want to work with you. So that's number one. But also what this video is about is you can actually sign up on platforms for influencers, and these platforms are going to connect you with brands that are actually looking for people like you. So it's perfect for small influencers like myself and yourself. If you are a small influencer, maybe you're a big one, but you know, for small influencers these are great. I'm going to start with the one that gave me my first collaboration on Instagram, and that was the brand Hey. It's actually an app for your phone. They don't really get updated a lot, so it's kind of frustrating because they haven't had new brands on there for a long time. Maybe my app's just not working, but I feel like they don't really update it. That's where I actually got my first collaboration with, and so I'm pretty sure it would be perfect for you to try out. So this is what the app looks like. Here we go. And then these are the brands that are looking for influencers, and if you want to work with them you can tap this little hand here and it's gonna wave. I'm gonna show you. I tap the hand and the hand does this. It says like, hey, I'm seeing your brand and I would love to work with you. Maybe check out my account and see if you're interested. And then you also have your own little profile. Oh, mine's not updated yet. Oopsies. That's what I also don't like about this. You always have to update your followers and stuff manually. Like right now it's still at 4,000, but I already have 7,000. I know it's not that big of a difference, but for small influencers it's like such big of a difference. So this is my profile. You have a little picture here, and then I wrote a little text about myself, and it shows you your analytics and stuff. And yeah, that's kind of all about the Hey one. If you Hey a brand, they're gonna send you a message if they are interested in you as well. And yeah, so that was probably one of my favorites to start with. I wrote them all down over here, that's why I'm always looking here. Next one that I want to talk about is Tribe. Now Tribe is a really good one as well. I think for Tribe you already have to have like 1,000 followers or something, so you can't really start with nothing, but I'm not sure, so you should probably just try that out for yourself. Also with Tribe, this is what it looks like. It shows you all the brands that are looking for influencers, but with Tribe what I don't like, you usually have to already have the product at your home or have to purchase it and then upload your content, and then if they like it they'll pay you. So I'm not quite excited about that because I'm like, what if they don't like my content then I bought the product? You know, or if they don't like the content and I put a lot of effort in the content, then I don't get anything for putting a lot of time and effort in that. You know what I'm saying? So Tribe, I haven't really worked with them yet. I know a lot of people that actually have worked with Tribe and they really like it. Some of them also got products for free in exchange for a post. Yeah, you just have to find the good ones, you know. It's like you have to really look into the stuff. The next one that I want to talk about is Vamp. Now with Vamp, I think Vamp is this one. So these are all of the brands that are looking for influencers, and if you're interested you click on it, and then when you're interested you go on the brand deal and you send them a message. So there's like small brands and also bigger brands like Huawei, but also smaller brands for smaller influencers, which is kind of good. So you can see kind of what you like and what you think would fit your niche. The next one that I want to talk about, why aren't you, oh there we go. Next one that I want to talk about is The Right Fit, and through The Right Fit I actually did get a couple of brand deals, which was really cool. And they are really good brands usually, and The Right Fit is probably the most professional one, I think. Kind of looks like that for me. If it's a paid collaboration, you get paid through The Right Fit, so you also have to put your bank details and stuff in there. It took a while for me to get approved for that one, but I am now finally, and The Right Fit is probably one of my favorite. Next one that I want to talk about is Vimma. Now Vimma actually send me an email introducing themselves, and it works through Facebook Messenger. Every single day they send you growth hacks, power coaching and stuff like that. It's like a talent manager. You can also pay a small amount to get like a personal thing with them, but I don't have the VIP membership or something, so I just get like the normal stuff. And also every day they send me brands that are looking for influencers, so you can sign up through them, and then they put your name on the list, and if the brand wants to work with you, they'll reach out to you, which I think is super cool. And they have a lot of cool hacks and tips in between that they will send you every day, which is super cool. I really like that one, and it's free if you don't purchase the VIP membership. The next one that I want to talk about is Brand Snob. Now I've just signed up for that and my account is not approved yet, but if you're interested in that, go check it out and sign up yourself. The minimum followers for that is 5,000 though. So you can't do it when you're smaller than 5,000 followers, which is quite sad. The next one that I saw myself a lot on the internet was Aspire IQ. Now I also just signed up for that one, and my profile's getting reviewed or approved or looked at, I don't know. So yeah, I'm quite excited about these ones. I'm gonna let you know how they worked out. If you are interested, you can ask me. And yeah, those were kind of all of the platforms that I wanted to talk about that are good for small influencers, and if you're not the biggest creator already. Now also what I want to talk about, if you see those brands on those influencer platforms, what I think and what worked for me as well, if you send them a personal email to their marketing or PR or blogger inquiries, they will probably respond a bit quicker, and it takes a little bit more effort sending them a personal email or a personal message on Instagram, but I'm sure they'll love to see that you want to put the effort in. They'll respond quicker. At least that's what my experience is. So if you see them on these platforms, you don't actually have to go through those platforms, because it kind of shows you, oh, they are looking for influencers, they're looking for content. And then if you send them a personal message with a lot more information about yourself, I'm sure they'll love that a lot more than just this. Personal messages for me are always super important, and yeah, you can go check it out for yourself. And I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any more questions, and if you have any other video inquiries for me to do, I would love that. Yeah, if you're new to this channel and you liked the video, or you liked some of my videos, please subscribe to the video. Please subscribe to the channel, that would make me really happy, and give this video a thumbs up so I can see if you like it or not. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you're all safe and have a beautiful rest of your week. Bye.